Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Before we begin, a quick shout out to our new member, Amina Kasule. Thank you so much for joining us and supporting this channel.
We are very happy to have you with us.
Today, we ask one painful question. Where is my future partner? Many people ask this at night. They feel alone in a quiet room. They look at the ceiling and think. They think love will save their life.
Your future partner is not missing. Your question is the real problem.
The question itself is the problem?
Yes, because you want love to fix your fear. But love cannot fix fear. Fear is inside you. Love grows only in a calm mind. Most people think the right person is outside. They think someone is waiting somewhere. They think, if I find that person, I will be happy. But the right person is not a map you follow. The right person is a result.
A result of what?
A result of how you live every day. A result of what you practice. A result of your mind. A result of your daily choices. Let me show you a small daily scene. You wake up in the morning. Your phone is next to your pillow. You open social media in 5 seconds. You see couples smiling. You see someone getting flowers. You feel small. You feel late. Then you ask, where is my person?
That happens to so many people every morning.
But the real question is different. The real question is, why do I feel bad right now? Not, where is my person? That shift is everything. Think about eating when you are very hungry. You grab food fast. You do not taste it. You do not feel thankful. You only want more. Looking for love with fear feels exactly the same way. You rush, you grab, and you still feel empty after.
So people are not really looking for love. They're looking for a safe feeling inside.
Exactly. And the other person can feel that need very fast. It feels like pressure on them, not like love. Nobody wants to be someone else's answer. Now, think about this second scene. A man comes home from work. He eats alone in silence. The room feels cold and empty. He opens a dating app again. He meets someone next weekend. The meeting is fine. They talk and laugh a little, but he feels empty again on the way home.
Because he wanted the other person to fill his emptiness.
Yes, but the emptiness is inside him, so it follows him everywhere, to every date, to every new relationship. No person outside can fix what is empty inside. Now here is the hardest scene. A woman came to a monk once. She said, I am running out of time. Where is my right person? Her voice was shaking. Her eyes were full of fear. The monk did not answer her question. He asked her one thing instead. Can you live a good life alone?
That question must have shocked her deeply.
She got angry. She said, Of course not. That is why I am here. The monk said quietly, Then your mind is not ready yet. Not because she was bad, not because she was too old, but because she wanted love to carry her. Love cannot carry you. Love can only walk beside you.
So both people need to walk on their own feet first. Then they can walk together.
Yes. When two people both need saving, they call it love at first, but it slowly becomes a heavy place. Both people are tired. Both people are waiting to be saved. And nobody saves anyone. John Gottman is an American researcher. He studied real couples for over 40 years. He watched how they talk. He watched how they fight. He found one big truth. Happy couples do not fight less. They repair faster. They say sorry first. They listen more than they speak. These are small daily habits, not big romantic feelings, not perfect chemistry, just small, honest acts every day.
So real love looks very different from what we see in movies.
Yes, movies show the beginning. Real love is what comes after. People wait for a big moment, but love is made from quiet moments, washing dishes without asking, listening without trying to fix, saying sorry first, sitting in silence together without fear. These small acts build real love.
Before we go on, I want to ask you something. Write one thing you want from a future partner. Just one word is fine. Kind, honest, calm, patient. Write it in the comments below. Then write one thing you can give to a partner. That small difference will change how you see love today.
Now let us talk about something you can do today, not next year, not after you lose weight or get a better job. Today, take a paper. Write 3 things you want in a partner. Then write 3 things you can give.
Why does that small act matter so much?
Because it moves your mind from wanting to giving, from waiting to building. Most people only write what they want: kind, rich, funny, good-looking. They never stop and ask, am I that kind of person too? That paper becomes a mirror, and mirrors are uncomfortable, but they are honest. And honest is where growth starts. After that, do one small kind thing today. Send a warm message to someone you care about. Clean your room for 5 minutes. Sleep on time tonight. Eat slowly and respect your body. These feel like small things, but they are not small. They are love training. You are training your heart every day.
So while we are alone, we are not wasting time. We are building something real inside.
Yes, alone time is not empty time. It is the time you build yourself. If you cannot be kind when you are alone, you cannot be kind with a partner. If you cannot calm your mind alone, you cannot calm it in a hard relationship. Your alone time is your training ground. The Analects of Confucius says this: a person who knows others is smart, but a person who knows himself is wise. Knowing yourself is where love truly starts. Not on an app, not at a party, inside you.
So the question is not, where is my person? The real question is, who am I becoming right now?
Yes. Ask yourself these questions. Am I a calm person to be with? Am I honest with people I care about? Do I make people feel safe around me? These questions are more powerful than any dating app. Love is not a prize you win. Love is not luck. Love is a direction you walk. Every day, one small step. Every day, one honest choice. Now let us end with one sentence. This is the key message today. Love is not found. Love is built. You do not wait for magic to happen. You practice being a good person today. You become calm. You become honest. You become someone safe to be with. Then the right person walks with you naturally, not because of luck, because of who you became.
Love is not found. Love is built. I will carry that with me. If today's talk helped you, please like and subscribe. Members get a PDF to review today's message anytime. Next time, we talk about anger. Why do small things make us explode? You won't want to miss it.
Thanks for watching. And as always, keep going and keep growing.